Welcome back everyone to Craig Marshall. If this is your first time, make sure to go hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications because to post each and every day my video right now Pisa Zimbabwe, all around Zimbabwe. So you don't wanna miss that. Gotta subscribe right now and go like the video and go share the video. So if you haven't noticed, or if you've noticed, kuti in Zimbabwe our music industry ikuramba ichikwira, vanhu vari kungobura mahit songs vamwe vachimboitawo ma-up and down panyaya dzemusic. So apa I've got a video yakiller T introduce this new song, and I want you guys to tell me what you think in the comments down below. Is it a fire song? Is it just tell us in my comments. I am going to share the video right now, and for all those that haven't subscribed, please go hit the subscribe button now because please join our family. Go hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video. So Clarity some game. So I think his song, the title of the song was Musoro Bangu, and I think it could process kwa song yacho. So I'm going to share the video right now. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Share the video with your friends. Video racho era.
Yo. Mana levels. Tanga chinu nzo. Oyo. Oyo. My message musoro ba. Kada phone unokata musoro ba. Kawo kano mara musoro ba. Odo boy chinu musoro ba. Odo boy na musoro ba. This is a tough song, man. Mama says, yo, big little Soroba, California, Lucata, Soroba, Kawano, Soroba, the boys are in Soroba, the boys are out of Soroba, Naku, you were out of Soroba,